Hey everybody, it's Paulie again, and in today's video I want to talk about basic terminology and fundamental controls for flying a drone. So, as I have in front of me, my drone, and you can see the controller below. That is in a Mode 2 controller, which is pretty standard, which means that the left joystick is the one that has the throttle for up and down. So, speaking of throttle, the left joystick up and down motion is the throttle, which brings the drone up, brings the drone down. And then we go to the right side. The joystick for pitch is moving the joystick up and down, which will bring the drone forward or bring it back. And then also on the right side, the left and right motion is the roll. So we'll kind of go to the left or the right. And then back to the left side, I left that for last, is the yaw, which is kind of like turning your head. So when I go left and right, it's turning the drone's head left, it's turning it right. Be careful with the yaw, because when you start doing that, all your controls change in perspective to the drone. What that means is, now that I'm yawed left, if I do a pitch forward, it's not going to go that way. What's going to happen is it's going to go that way. Or if I go back, it's going to go back. Again, so everything is in perspective to the drone, as in the eye of the drone, such as the camera, the FPV. So those are the fundamentals. I hope that is helpful to somebody, and I appreciate you watching my video. Thank you.